I made maybe 5-6 miles today. Things are going well. It rained. It was just a light sprinkle. Sun came out and maybe it's going to rain again. Who knows? It's getting cloudy.
Hi, I'm Bill with the Wilderness Hiker. I've been doing these things all my life. Come join me in an adventure. There's instructional videos on where to go and how to do it. Backpacking, mountain climbing, survival, bushcrafting skills. Just go out and have a good time. There's lots of videos here on trails you can explore and mountains you can explore. Learn how to go ultralight when you're backpacking, what works and what doesn't work. This summer I plan to explore shorelines, rivers, and islands in a canoe. I hope to come out with a new video every week. Join me at the top for high adventure.
I am very pleased with this fire. I think I can feed these sticks one by one.